Hi, Samanath. So Nifty completely lost its reliability, and the 27,000, the dream. I already made a comment in my previous videos. By the end of November, there is high possibility that Nifty may touch 27,000. I said, except that there would be obstacle, that is Bihar election. I said election result. I said, but before Bihar election polling, during the first phase of polling itself, it's showing that it is not ready for 27,000. So that's all the signs are showing. And today, mid and small cap also heavily fall. And if you see the today advanced decline ratio, there is a lot of difference. Advance is only 795, decline is 2300. Similarly, 52-week high low ratio also not good. Only thing is quite matching is upper circuit and the lower circuit, almost quite equally. The ratio is matching. Otherwise, none of the signs are not good. Uh, that I will show in the chart. So everything we will see one by one. So before the disclaimer, I am not a CB registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here are for educational purpose, just to sharing my views. That's it. Always a good trader or investor have to do their own study and analysis and have to take their own decision. With that understanding, we will proceed, and I request please do subscribe and like. So today large cap minus 87 point, it closed, and large cap minus 129, mid cap minus 212, small cap minus 258, and micro cap minus 403. See the ascending order. Okay, so actually, because of all this fall, the VIX has to be increased actually, but this also reduced to minus 1.90%. So this is quite contradicting, but it's well and good. The premium would be less. I think by seeing this, tomorrow it may be ended positively. Usually there would be heavy profit booking on weekend, but only based on the VIX I am saying this statement. Tomorrow may expect a positive closure, but overall the weekly basis it is negative. And today Nifty, Bank Nifty minus 272 points, and Nifty IT 63 point positively closed. So if you see the sectoral wise, Nifty IT 0.18 percentage positively closed, and auto 0.06. Almost it's a flat, we can say that. The huge negative sector is Nifty Media minus 2.54. Then metal minus 2.07, consumer durable minus 1.98, almost 2%. Reality minus 1.59, energy minus 1.21. So everything is significantly negative today. So all this, we saw that all the caps are also negative, and especially small and micro cap, and all the sectors also significantly negative. So there is a heavy profit booking happening. So I think it may continue for another couple of days until at what level it will continue. That now we will see in chart. So before that, there is IPO stock listed today, Arcla India. So the issue price was 730. But today, on the listing, the first day, it ended up with 713. That is minus 2.24%. It lost from the issue price. Okay, now we will see the chart. So this is the Nifty. So already, as yesterday itself, I told the Nifty already broke the support, that is 25,650. Today, another 88 point negatively it has closed. So if you see, there is a what do you say? It's some minor upside channel. We can say that it was traveling in the channel. Now again, Nifty. Coming into the channel. So it was broke here, now it is again coming into the channel. So one decisive red candle, if it confirms within the channel, then we can expect a 24,800 would be the next downside support, we can say that. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, so yesterday also I said Bank Nifty giving some hope, but today that also gone. So 57,500 was a strong support. Today it touched 57,521. That is just 21 point just away. And if we see the closing also, just 50 points above it is closed. So 50 point is nothing for the Bank Nifty. So almost it is closed at support, we can say that. So it also losing the hope. Similarly, Nifty IT, it's unable to make progress, slowly coming down. The 35,000 is the strong support. So it is traveling towards that. So there is no good sign on it. Similarly, this is one of the important. So many videos I used to say that mid and small 400 is a very reliable index. It gives a very good market perspective because it includes mid cap 150 and small cap 250. Collectively, this the index giving a very good perspective of the market. And if you see the 20,600 is the resistance level. So at most that zone it has gone and unable to make progress further. So it has big red candle it made today, minus 1.15 percentage, that is 234 point. Today it lost. So now it start traveling towards the support, that is 19,500. So if you see the overall the Indian market, now the negativity is huge. There is no positivity I able to see. If at all any positive closure, that would be the only it happens on the downside also. So that's how we have to take. There is no sign of any trend reversal. Now the trend is towards 24,800. So this is almost confirmed by our big brother US market also. Yesterday Dow closed positively 225 point, and S&P 524 point, and NASDAQ Composite Index 151 point positively closed. Though it has closed positively, so if you see the chart, that price movement also in the downside only. So whatever the price, whatever the points Dow presently, that is a minor support. The major support would is 45,000 only. And if you see the S&P 500, same scenario like Dow and S&P 500 also, sorry, NASDAQ also, like Dow only. So the overall US market also not giving any good sign. So there also heavy profit booking it's happening and continuing. So this negative impact will be there in our market also. So there is no positivity in both the market. So we can expect Nifty will be 24,800. If it is reverses, that is well and good. So I am not saying negatively. Whatever showing in the chart, that's what I am speaking here. So now we will go to the chart. Sorry, stocks. We used to see a fund gainer two stock and losers on two stocks. So that with that perspective, gainers we will see Astral and Asian Paint, and the losing side we will see Delivery and Blue Star stocks. If you see the Astral today, it has made a significant upside close to 6.74 percentage. So that the resistance and target is 1,570. Today it touched and unable to go beyond that. So the immediate the next level target would be 1,850. If you see the weekly chart, it's trying to make a W pattern. So I hope this stock continue in the upside. Let me see how it makes in the upcoming days. Asian Paints. So if you see this stock in the upside, it is traveling within a zone, upside channel. So today this stock made a 4.61 percentage positive closure, but the immediate target would be 2,260. So it's traveling towards that. Let me see. Then Delivery. So already we addressed this stock couple of times. Even my previous video I clearly said the 480 would be the very strong resistance. Multiple time it hit but unable to break that level, and it came down. So today also it unable to break. Today 8.71% is negatively closed. So the immediate support would be 405 for this. Similarly, Blue Star. So this was traveling in the upward channel, and it made some consolidation, but unable to progress in the higher side. Now it broke the channel very significantly. 6.89% it is negatively closed. So the immediate downside support at 1,750. Presently it is 1,786. So be careful on this. So if at all you are considering all these four stocks, please do your own study analysis and take your own decision. As at the beginning I said, tomorrow and after today I'm traveling out of station. So I will be back on Sunday night only. So the next video will be on Monday, regular post market report. So we'll see in the next post market report. Before to that request, please do subscribe and like. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.